Come on stage.
Damn. Excuse me. Excuse me. Right here. Excuse me. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Okay.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
I'm gonna call you that.
My name is Julissa. It's pronounced like Jalessa, but it's pronounced Julissa. I should let you know the back of your wig is ridiculous.
What?
So I want you to know. I just want to know. Can I have your number?
What?
Can I have it?
My what?
Your number. Those 7 digits that'll put me through to your beautiful ass number. I just want you to know. Can I have it?
My number?
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Yo, don't. That wig. Where you get it at? Oh, don't be insecure, girl. Now everybody has good hair. Own that wig. Work those bobby pins.
It is my wig.
It's okay. I ain't mad at you. So what's your name, delicate?
Bonquee.
Damn, girl. That's a ghetto ass name. I like that. You on parole?
No.
What's your parole officer name?
I'm not.
Is he your boyfriend? Where your boyfriend at? Where your boyfriend?
Uh-huh.
Is he coming back?
What?
Is he hefty? Is he getting you Mike and Nights?
I don't like.
Oh, you like Mike and Nights?
I don't like.
Where your boyfriend at? Where your boyfriend?
I don't like.
Where your boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Oh, you don't, do you? Got any kids?
Yeah.
Can I have your number?
What?
Can I have your number?
I
Can I? Please? Can I?
don't
Can
like-
I have it?
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
Okay. So where your boyfriend at?
I don't have.
Where your boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Alright.
So you leaving?
Can I have your number?